Phil Larsen, the Vice President of QForce, the Airborne Division of Q Communications. This last couple of days I've been in the great city of Pittsburgh as we've been meeting with old friends, making new friends, as we go over some new verticals here at the Airborne Division. I'm getting ready to leave to head for another great city of Philadelphia and into New Jersey as we get to meet with our manufacturer of one of our proprietary drones. Looking forward to sharing that with you. Stay tuned. I'm here in Pennsauken Township, New Jersey to visit our old friends at BFD Systems. Today I'm bringing back our sweet SE8 to have a little tune-up and look at some new products that they have for us here. I can't wait to show you what's going on inside and show you the world of the Airborne Division. Come on, let's take a look inside. So we made it inside to the BFD Systems here. We've had a great conversations. We've been going through different programs and different airframes, looking at their tethered systems. These guys are absolutely remarkable. I want to introduce you to the president of BFD Systems. This is Max Tubman. Great friend. We've worked together for a number of years now. We actually love his systems, and we're excited to have him be part of the QForce division and on all the programs that we're running. Max, it's great to have you. Thanks for having me here today.
Yeah, great to have you.
Hey, I just have a couple questions. I mean, I'm sure our audience is going to love to hear from you and talk about these systems a little bit and a little bit about what you do and how you make them so safe and accurate. So when we buy a system from you, we're looking for the most reliable and the safest airframe that we can to give our customers the most security and the most outright best program and the best looking reports that we can. And so that's why we use the BFD system. So tell me a little bit about how BFD handles the quality control and ensures that safety component to us.
Yeah. So we kind of approach the drone manufacturing in a very similar way to general aviation. So everything has checklists throughout the entire process, from dealing with the customer to meet your requirements, to the engineering review, the assembly review, the flight check review, and then the final engineering review before it gets shipped out. So internally we have a very well documented process. Additionally, the aircraft design is around safety, and that comes from redundancy. So there's multiple GPSs, multiple compasses, laser altimeter, redundant batteries, redundant propulsive systems, redundant IMUs. So everything is kind of built with this aviation mindset where, you know, depending on what the customers are doing, whether it's QForce or anyone, failure is not an option. So whether it's a very expensive payload or a sensitive area, or we're just time is money, these aircraft are designed to have redundancy throughout the day or the mission.
Max, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. I mean, again, that's why we're here. That's why we're with you. And the redundancy is a big thing for us. We want to make sure that if anything does fail, there's always a backup, and we're able to still complete the mission and do it safely and make sure that there's no issues. So in our work, for our customers, our technology we fly and the positioning of the airframe is absolutely super critical, especially in our RF measurements. What are some of the ways, the technology that you do better than anyone else in the business is keeping companies like us, keeping that accuracy?
So I think what we try to do here is we have a finished aircraft. It's not a science experiment, but it's very customized to what the end user is doing. So we'll select the right GPS antennas. We'll try to make sure that the aircraft and the payload are one single system. So instead of having a payload and then an aircraft that are bolted together, instead we have one solid system that fluidly integrates so that the end user experience is just much easier to use. And then you get much more accurate location data for your cameras and as well as the drone system itself.
Max, I have to agree with you. That is 1,000% why we have it. Why we love it so much is when we do the integration, because your system for us does multiple things. And it's nice to be able to quickly integrate that, and we know that there's no movement around. It's solid. It gives us the accuracy and the control that we absolutely demand for our customers. Max, again, thank you so much for letting me come up here today, visit with you and the entire team, and see your facility. It's been wonderful to be here. Again, this is BFD Systems, and we're QForce, and thanks for watching.